Hi all, let's cook Karnataka style mushroom dum biryani today. I've taken 200 grams of washed and chopped mushrooms. I'll add 2 spoons of curd, a pinch of turmeric powder and required amount of salt. Marinate, keep it aside for 30 minutes. Then to grind in a jar, take a handful of washed and chopped mint leaves, handful of coriander leaves, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 1 pot garlic, equal quantity of chopped ginger, 5 green chilies, 2 spoons of kasuri methi. Add little water, grind, keep it aside. Then take a cooking pan, keep it on the stove, add some oil and ghee, add whatever we need for biryani leaf, cloves, cinnamon, saumph. Once on the low flame, cook them well. Then add the chopped onions until they turn golden brown. Add the green grinded paste and add garam masala, coriander powder, and chicken masala, a little bit of pepper powder. And when they releases oil, add the marinated mushrooms, cook for 5 minutes, and you'll, because they will release water, you'll know when they release oil, it's ready. Then add the washed rice and boiling water to cook for another 10 minutes for high flame and 10 minutes on the low flame, and turn the stove off, and it's ready to serve. Yummy biryani. Ta-da!